God bless you. Predestined Seed. We are cuevadelprofeta.com. This is the bread of life today. Matthew 7:15. Beware of false prophets, which come to you in sheep's clothing, but inwardly they are ravening wolves. Listen now, the voice of God's prophet for this day.
Listen, did you ever think what that offices of the church is? It's God's dress. Inside dress. An apostle, a prophet, a seer. Foresee, before Satan ever gets to it, done told it.
Amen.
What is it? God dressed up in His church. These offices is God's dress wear. When you see those offices, pastors, teachers, evangelists, what is that? That's God's dress wear. God's presence, God's Spirit working through man. And if that office denies any of this word, then it's not God dressing.
Amen. Amen.
No. What's that? That's that wolf in sheep's clothing.
Amen.
What's that fellow?
Amen.
Beware of him. But when he just takes what the Word says, remember that's God because He's speaking His Word.
Yeah.
But if it says, well, it isn't. Get going, sheep. Get going.
Amen.